Hello and welcome to the Mad Leprechaun. My name is Mert Walsh. I'm at Blake House Craft Centre for this week's bike night. With a difference. It's the Piston Cup Trophy 2026. Interested? I hope you are. Please do stick around and stay tuned for a bike night with a difference. Running away from the music. Thought we'd take a little wander round. Number one. It's been on my channel a few times. A couple of weeks ago I had a little ride on this. It was painful because I'm far too big. Gorgeous Ducati Scrambler. So lots of people have put their little yellow tags on, so they've entered into the Piston Cup Trophy. That's Harley Davidson. Of course, Neil, number 14. I did a video about this bike as well. The Beast. Wow. I saw that at the last bike night. That's a mad looking thing. That is a really, really lovely Honda. You see those Firestorm. Not standard, is it? Yeah. It looks really nice. Triumph's first attempt at a sports bike, TT600. Speed 400. Lots and lots of nice bikes here tonight. We were slightly concerned because it's one of the hottest days of the year today. We were slightly concerned that a lot of people wouldn't turn up because the road is literally just, it's melting. It's like riding on butter. Look at that, look. So there's some food vendors in tonight. And there's craft beer. The shops at the craft centre obviously have stayed open. There's a coffee shop just down the way if you fancy having a coffee. Nice. I had one of those. This is a very, 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 very special bike. That's a pal of mine owns. And if I'm honest, I voted for this one. If you haven't seen the video that Gordon and I made together about this bike, I shall put a link over the top. It is, as you can probably tell, an RG 500 Gamma. It's on a daytime MOT. There is so much work that's been done to that bike. And it sounds an absolute treat. Like them or not, it's a Hayabusa. I quite like them. So there's a Ducati Scrambler. That's what a Ducati Scrambler should look like. And then if we go over to, this is also a Ducati Scrambler, and clearly heavily modified. I did say earlier, we've also done a video about that one as well. It's a pretty bike. It's lovely, isn't it? Very nice. See, I like these. There was a bit of a discussion on social media the other day that it's kind of done its day, but I still quite like them. 19. Lots of bikes for sale. 750 kettle. Oh, and the Augusta F3. I still fancy having one of these. Ducati Monster. Fancy getting an early Ducati Monster and getting Valkyrie to paint it. MT10. Have one of those in the garage. Another MT10. That looks proper stealthy.
You get done. More or less. I'm just looking at my delivery guy now with my unit, so I've just seen a guy driving with a trailer. Yeah.
See, I quite like that. I know a lot of people wouldn't, but I quite like it. That's a head turner, isn't it? Wow. I love the way the Harley Davidson on the fuel tank is it's almost like it's handwritten. I like that. It's a nice touch. Not everybody's cup of tea, but beautifully finished, isn't it? Yeah, again, it's another Harley. Harley actually make these, you know, you can go into a Harley Davidson showroom and buy one. But then there is companies over here that conversion, you know, will convert your standard Harley, make it look like that. Interesting. Very nice, beautiful paint job. Triumph Bonneville T100, SV650. GSXR. Looks like that's standard as well. Here's something, maybe you could settle an argument. Say, I would call that a Gixxer, but then some people call it a Sorad, because it's got that S-R-A-D on the back of it. But it's still a Gixxer. And I heard someone the other week on social media called it a Gixxer, and then someone corrected them and said it's not a Gixxer, it's a Sorad. I don't know. Come on, settle that one, would you?
Side of the road.
That 750 Commando kind of caught my eye. That's a pretty bike. Very, very nice. There's something about the Norton Commando. The line of it, the shape of it. Yeah, I think that is possibly the best turnout they've had here for a while. Unfortunately, because an awful lot of the bikes are round the back. Yeah, all the bikes that are in the competition, however, are kind of in this area. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to announce the winners. If you'd all like to gather, if there's any people down there, just call them up here if you'd be so kind. That you like that? Do what he did. I like him. Gather around, people, gather around. It's not as hot as it was. It's all legal and above board, you know. We've checked it, we've had it verified. You're supposed to say that, aren't you?
Yeah.
By an independent adjudicator. If you've come along tonight, if you've entered the Piston Cup, thank you. And if you voted, thank you. Hope you've had some fun. There is more bike nights to come throughout the season. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Right.
Is everybody from down there up here? No? Okay. Shall we just announce?
Second prize, which is Gordon Dorsey.
Second prize.
It's number 9.
I have to say, this is a bike I voted for, and I really, really, really wanted this bike to win, but it didn't. Gordon, you are second prize, mate.
Number 9.
Number 9, the Suzuki 500 Gamma. It is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful bike. If you haven't seen it, if you don't know, and I'm going to blow my own trumpet here, Gordon and I did a video together about his bike. If you haven't seen it, pop onto my channel, have a look at it. There's so much detail gone into that bike. But a worthy winner, but this occasion, second.
Yeah, that's right.
I'll give you your prize when you come inside, yeah?
Right, and now to the winner.
Which is number 16.
16?
Yeah, Scott.
Number 16. If he's gone home.
His name's Scott.
Scott.
There he is.
Is it you? Oh, well done. He's the man with the favourite T-shirt. What an absolute legend. He says it's not a T-shirt, it's real.
Thank you very much.
There you go. That's for you. You can take that home with you.
Thank you. That's superb. Thank you.
So your name will go on this one, but you get to keep the replica.
Can I have a photograph in that one?
Absolutely.
Yeah, of course you
Can you
can.
bring your bike down as well so we can see your bike? Have a little chat about your bike? Because I've got no idea what his bike is.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Scott. Scott, look at that T-shirt.
I haven't done my hair.
You absolute legend. Bring us to your bike then. Let's have a
Right,
look.
yep.
Look at that. What is it?
That's a Suzuki Intruder, 1800. It's actually a VSR 1800, but I've got the badges for the M109R, which in America is what it is.
Oh, okay.
Basically, so
Right.
but they put over here.
Did you paint it like that?
Well, I bought it off a man. He was the only owner, and he had a motorbike accident on his Tiger and busted his ankle. And because of the weight, he couldn't. He's an old boy and he couldn't handle the weight anymore.
Okay.
So I've had the bike now 3 months.
Right.
I've done a fair bit to it.
Yeah.
She's just under 200 horsepower at the minute.
Right.
Yeah, she's
wow.
she's all exhaust, all
It
air
is a bit of a
filters.
beast then, isn't it?
Yeah, she's all been remapped and all sorts.
Wow.
Yeah, she's.
What a thing. Oh,
yeah.
well done.
Thank you
Well
very
done.
much.
Yeah.
Really
Congratulations.
appreciate that.
Yeah, good fun. So there you go. A worthy winner.
Thank you very much.
Piston Cup, replica, Scott. The Beast. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't enjoyed this video for any particular reason whatsoever, please feel free to leave a thumbs down. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ding dong the notification bell if you be so kind. And then hopefully, all being well, we should see you in another one. Until next time, people, take care of yourself. Ride safe. Bye-bye for now.